Hey, what's up everybody, my name is Super Geek. Samsung's foldable devices will soon see their third iteration with the Galaxy Z Fold 3 later this year. And even though the folding devices are still in its beta, or I rather say in its alpha state right now, as there are only few folding smartphones that you can actually buy, and most of them are from Samsung only. But now it looks like the technology has progressed enough and we can see more brands releasing their foldable devices soon. Samsung's foldable devices are made by a separate entity called Samsung Display, which also created the one-of-a-kind ultra-thin glass technology which got introduced in Galaxy Z Fold 2 to protect the display from repeated folding action. This only shows that the folding technology has improved a lot since 2019. Samsung Display now intends to expand its clientele and offer its UTG technology to other brands to increase the number of folding display products in the market. Now, according to some Korean sources, the next major brand to try its hand in foldable phones would be Google. Google is already looking to collaborate with Samsung Display to get the UTG technology, but it's not yet clear what type of folding display will be included with the upcoming foldable from Google. Considering how innovative Google gets when it steps into new market, we may see something completely new from the existing inward-outward folding screen or even the newer rollable design. There are more brands expecting a collab with Samsung Display for the same UTG tech, and one name comes to the mind here: Apple. According to the rumors, Apple is also working on a foldable device. We are quite not sure what the device is going to be because making a foldable phone is not what Apple is going to do, considering how new Apple products tend to change the trends in smartphone industry. So keep your hopes up that this upcoming foldable device from Google won't get trashed like most of the Google projects. And that's it for now guys. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.